Hello everyone, good morning. So for today's videos, ayan si Mitch. Naka ready to go in the Hilton. So this moment guys, I was in Uber and we going to Hilton Hotel because I'm going to attend the Filipino Time Watchlist Forum there. So mag-attend tayo ng manood tayo ng mga successful Pilipino dito sa Qatar and Kuwait. So as you can see, ayan, nagtitiktok ako while nasa Uber ako and going to Hilton Hotel. So ang ganda ko, Nax naman. Carry lang. Ganda ng paglagay ko ng makeup ko. In fairness habang unti palagi ako naglalagay ng makeup, unti-unti na rin ako natututo. Before, really, I don't know how to make like example how to do makeup, really I don't know before, but now little by little I practice. So and this videos na, ayan, nasa Hilton Hotel na ako niyan, at pero wala pa masyadong tao. Sabi nga is 9 magi-start na, but almost 9 I arrived, but it's still waiting for somebody. And ayan, nakaupo ako and I was thinking that I will go to get my breakfast because I didn't eat yet my breakfast, so I was planning to go out in the buffet to get some food to eat my breakfast. As you can see, ayan, charot. So yan yung buffet nila. Maganda dito sa Hilton Hotel, 5-star hotel to dito sa Dua. So ayan, habang nag-walking ako going to eat my breakfast, ayan, pumunta muna kasi may nakita akong Meryl dyan. Siyempre, as usual, mahilig talaga si Mitch ng breakfast. So ayan, nakakuha na yata ako dyan ng food, yeah. So I was on the table na and waiting to start. So makikita nyo naman dyan, ayan, patayin ko yung voice record para marinig nyo.
Promotion. We have helped our partner clients achieve $27 billion worth of investments and sale. But more than just the numbers, we find our purpose in the quality of the work that we do. We influence people to be part of the movement. We empower companies to deliver results. We enable governments to build nations. We do these through the power of storytelling anywhere in the world. And when these stories are told by other people, these stories become your reputation. This is what we breathe and live.
So this forum is powered by the Filipino Times, the largest international Filipino news media and marketing agency globally, and organized by New Perspective Media Group. With the support of our partners, our silver partners, Ayala Land International Sales Inc., DMCI Homes, and our support partner, Philippine Airlines. And this afternoon or this morning is all about knowledge, inspiration, and recognizing the journeys of fellow Filipinos abroad like you. Tonight, we will also celebrate excellence through the Filipino Times Watchlist Awards for the top engineers, architects, and healthcare professionals in Qatar and Kuwait. At this point, we'd like to introduce the visionary behind the Filipino Times and New Perspective Media Group. I am honored to welcome an exceptional leader, an award-winning CEO, entrepreneur, and global strategist shaping governments and corporations worldwide. She is the CEO and founder of New Perspective Media Group, the publisher of the Filipino Times, the largest international Filipino news media and marketing agency. She also leads key industry initiatives, including the Philippine Property and Investment Exhibition and Philippine Economic and Investment Summit. Her outstanding contributions have earned her.
Good morning. So happy to see you all. It's like coming from the UAE and the Philippines here in Qatar. It's really a privilege to see you all. It is with great pride and honor that I welcome you all to the Filipino Times Watchlist Forum, Qatar and Kuwait. Today marks a historic moment. So, ayun, sabay-sabay hindi mapautahan. So ngayon, you have to, kasi may notice na mafo-forfeit, and he already paid 80%. 20% na lang mafo-forfeit daw lahat. So I said, why don't you talk to them? Alam mo, it takes a lot of humility conversation is now going on. But otherwise, dapat na-fulfill na siya. So instead of FOFO, fear of finding out, we have to face the fears. And actually, that's a good question to have. Kausapin ang mga real estate companies. Thank you. Any more question from the audience?
But our entire nation. So here's the real message that I have delivered.
Leadership roles in professional organizations. Let us all welcome the Senior Manager for Facilities Management at a semi-government multi-diverse portfolio investment company, Dr. Arnan P. Beltran. Our next panelist is a licensed architect, environmental planner, and registered master plumber. He has played key roles in landmark transfer, hospitality, heritage, and urban development projects across the Middle East and continues to contribute to the sustainable and innovative architecture in the region. Let's all welcome architect and specification writer at Arab Engineering Bureau, Architect Marvin M. Taera. And finally, we have a licensed sanitary and civil engineer, environmental planner, and award-winning professional with over 19 years of experience in major drainage and infrastructure projects in Qatar and Saudi Arabia. Let's all welcome the senior drainage engineer at the Public Works Authority, ASHGA, ASU Consulting Engineers, Dr. Mario S. Aligo. And of course, please join me in welcoming back to the stage the CEO and founder of New Perspective Media Group, Dr. Karen Remo, who will be moderating this session.
Knowledge in telemedicine, healthcare informatics, or even improving your soft skills like communication and empathy in digital consultations. This can elevate your patient care experience. Growth opportunities aren't always about technical skills. It's not always about technical skills. Sometimes it's about improving your leadership. Yung pinakita ka ng leaders. Yung acronym na leaders. Maybe in project management or your presentation skills. You may already be good at what you do, but the ability to lead people, communicate ideas, and work effectively, especially in your teams, multiplies your value. And we are very thankful right now, yung mga online, YouTube, you can learn, you can find workshops, seminars, free. So nowadays, knowledge is more accessible than ever. Sino bang nag-aaral sa library, di ba? Now you just GMP. Google mo, tol.
GPT.
I-GMP mo na lang. Everything is there. Second set clear goal is you have to use the SMART method. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When you say specific, define exactly what you want to learn. Measurable, determine how you'll know you have improved. Achievable, make sure your goals are realistic with your schedule. Relevant, you align your learning with your professional or personal goals. And time-bound, give yourself a clear deadline. Hindi yung may pinasok ka, hindi mo tatapusin. Sayang yung effort mo, sayang yung ginastos mo. And later on, I know Dr. Karen has, something. For example, instead of saying, I'll learn more about AI someday, why not try, I'll complete an AI course and apply it to my next project with you. 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 months. Something like that. And most importantly, apply what you have learned. This is where the real transformation happens. Not in learning something new, but in using it. Don't just consume knowledge. You have to test it out. You have to experiment it. Share it with your colleagues, with your team, and even make mistakes. Don't get or huwag kayong matakot na magkamali. Make mistakes and don't regret. Okay? Because when you make mistakes, you refine. That's how you turn theory into expertise.
Something that's nakakatakot or absolutely negative. Because stress could also help us grow when we are able to handle it. We cannot avoid it. The only time that it becomes disadvantage is when we are not able to handle the complications that it brings. Okay? For OFWs, of course, there is homesickness. There is the pressure of aiming for a target at work. Okay? Pressure of the people that we work with, the boss, co-employees. There is also a pressure in the society that we live in because we are too engaged in social media. There is also a pressure across the sea, back home in the Philippines, asking for help from your nieces, nephews, up to your great-grandfathers. Parang kargado natin lahat.
Ako na!
Okay, and the winner is
Michelle.
Joseph.
Kala ko ako na.
After 10 long years,
Congratulations!
Congratulations to Joseph Rivera for bringing home a round-trip ticket to the Philippines courtesy of Philippine Airlines. Alright, so now, this is one group photo op before we leave.
So, ayan guys, natapos na and now I'm in the bathroom. Inaayos ko yung damit ko, tinitingnan ko yung tiyan ko kasi feeling ko kasi malaki yung tiyan ko sa damit ko na yan. But, carry lang, di ba? So, we are going home na and ayan, nag-picture taking kami dito kasi bawat isa pinipicturean ka. And, yun lang. And, sobrang marami ako natutunan sa kanila and, parang na-amaze ako sa mga successful Filipino dito sa Qatar, no? So, sobrang dami kong natutunan sa kanila and they are very motivated person. So, yun lang. Picture muna ako dito bago umuwi para naman may remembrance ako dito sa Hilton Hotel. So, yun lang for today's videos. Ito po yung aking kaganapan nitong off day. Bye! Thank you for watching. See you for my next vlog. Bye!